Welcome, my friends. You are interested in learning hypnosis and mastering hypnosis. That's right, my friend. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. Welcome you to my page. And in this workshop, you are going to learn step by step how to do hypnosis. Now, my friend, this is a beginner course, so anybody can learn who has no idea about hypnosis but want to learn hypnosis. This course is for them. So, step by step, my friend, I tell you very frankly, when I started learning hypnosis in 1972, there was nothing available, there were no books available, there were no teachers available, there was no internet, no YouTube. Right now you have a lot of things available. Am I right? Now, my friend, I have learned the hardest way. Now, you don't need to learn hardest way. I have done all the work for you. Now, I have created a very simple but very powerful step by step, all the tips and tricks how to do it. Now, my friend, when you attend workshop, when you watch videos, there is not tips and tricks which is to go beyond the scene. Here you are going to learn step by step. How you are going to learn? I'll give you a demo and then explain to you why I did. Very secret method which nobody teaches. I will explain to you why I did and how it worked, and then you will do the same thing, practicing on each other and master it. But at the end of the course, you will learn how to hypnotize people. You will learn how to give them a hypnotic suggestion to improve themselves, and you can give some demos also. And plus, you will learn how to hypnotize yourself to reprogram your mind. That is the most powerful tool. Now, let me tell you, my friend, what are the things you are going to learn in the workshop. Now, when we talk about hypnosis, the first thing why we do is hypnosis to program the subconscious mind. So, we learn what is conscious mind, subconscious mind, and the new topic which nobody discussed called the universal mind. Then you will know exactly what hypnosis is, and because there are a lot of myths surrounding hypnosis, I will explain to you step by step and how it is done and how I learned. And then you will learn very specific thing which beginners should know, like the rules of the mind, the power of imagination. We call it suggestivity, how to prepare a person to get into hypnosis. Then you will learn self-hypnosis, how to go into hypnosis in 60 seconds or less, program your mind and come out. Interesting? Now, you will learn how a beginner can become an expert hypnotist, how to hypnotize very first time. Now, my friend, when you do hypnosis sometime on somebody first time, there's a lot of fear inside, lot of anxiety inside. You will learn how to do it very first time and become successful, and then what to do so the other person know he is hypnotized. That's right, my friend. We will learn step by step how to do it. Then you will learn how to prepare a person to get into hypnosis, how to get a cooperative subjects. You can how to find people to hypnotize, then vital role of a successful hypnosis. Then, my friend, when you do hypnosis, few things you need to learn, precautions on hypnosis, and then many times we do hypnosis but we don't know the person is hypnotized or not. You will recognize the symptoms of hypnosis, whether he is hypnotized or not. Then you will know when he is ready or not, just by observing. You will learn by doing it step by step. Then you will learn around 3 different type of induction method. One is the longer method, progressive relaxation, which I am not doing it, but as a beginner you need to learn it, and then you can program the mind. Then you will learn how to give a proper hypnotic suggestions. Then you will learn how to create your own suggestions. Sometime, you need to create for yourself or somebody. You will learn how to create. You learn a formula how to create a suggestion, then to deepen the hypnotic trance, and how to bring the person out perfectly, called awakening of hypnosis. And then you will learn different kind of benefits you can use through hypnosis for yourself and others. Then you get a ready-made affirmations of 112 ready-made affirmations. Now, my friend, this workshop you will learn. Name of the workshop is Learn How to Hypnotize Anyone, and it's a beginner level. Get a handout and you get some special bonuses which we have not announced here. So, my friend, if you really want to learn, hypnosis, really want to hypnotize people, at the end of this course, my friend, you will be able to hypnotize anybody. Remember, the willing person, you can hypnotize him immediately, give him the benefit of hypnosis, and if you really want, you can start making money by teaching self-hypnosis to others, by programming their mind to come out. So, my friend, if you really want to learn hypnosis, click on the link below, join right now. So, register right now, see you personally and learn hypnosis, and I will love to meet you. Thank you very much.